Hello there, I'm Rashmi and you're watching Handmade Love. Today I'm sharing with you a set of cake boxes combined together which I did in different themes. If you'd like to see one of the tutorial, you can follow my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon for further notifications. And do leave your comments in the inbox as in which was your favorite and which technique would you like to see more of. So let's start a small walkthrough into each of the beautiful cake slice box. So I have made a lot of handmade flowers to adorn them and cut die cuts from the same sheet, and also I have used a lot of other embellishments and try to create different themes. Like this one is for a baby girl. So I've tried to incorporate a lot of designs and techniques. This one was totally mixed media inspired, and this one over here focused on making handmade flowers. Here is a very cute layout and it says right now and a 1. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon for all new video notification. Thank you so much for watching.